Aha, good evening. Welcome to eating a sheet of paper a day. Day, I don't fucking know, alright? Toilet paper in my mouth, that's a little too much, actually. Again, it's 3-ply, so amount of paper should not be an issue. Here it goes. Ready, play something atmospheric in the background. Something that would go well with paper eating. Yeah. There we go. That's perfect. Oh. Thank you. That was day 260 something. I don't fucking know. All right, see you fellas on the next one. Stream tomorrow, hopefully, if I remember. Fuck.